And we've got a massive super moon just about to peek over the horizon line there. Now have a look at that. We've got the seats ready. We've got the seats ready to go. Now this is what we call Outback Australia, guys.
How far away from anywhere are we? We're probably an hour and a half from town.
I reckon so.
Nowhere.
And the amount of wildlife we had to kill to get out here was absolutely ridiculous. But I tell you what, guys, you guys are worth it. No kangaroos died on this trip. All right, I'm just going to see if I can give you an idea of what we're looking at here, guys. That silence is deafening.
Isn't it? It's brilliant.
Wow. That's just incredible. You weren't joking when you said it's going to be a super moon.
What size of it?
That is just awesome.
It's going behind some low clouds now, isn't it?
Yeah, it's just about to. I'll just see if I can lock that in. But that was absolutely spectacular. Guys, we've got the moon glow, and we've quietly got a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle or a very cool emoji with sunnies on. Or an emoji that's going absolutely kamikaze rogue.
Now we've got the satin rings.
Yeah. Doesn't that look amazing? You don't know how big that is. That is just awesome. Just another Saturday night in Australia.
Yeah, a mild 32 degrees.
Yeah, stinking hot, but oh, have a look at this. Just absolutely beautiful.
The colours.
Dead quiet, guys.
John Grant.
No?
He just walks the highways.
Oh, okay.
Carries his backpack
and
all his stuff and just walks.
How long has he been doing that for?
30 years.
Yeah. I would have definitely passed him than out in the road. I would have seen him. There's a bloke that used to just carry a cross all over Australia. Massive Jesus cross.
Yeah.
I used to think, mate, you're dedicated, man. Like, it wasn't a little thing.
Yeah.
It had a wheel on the back.
Oh, okay.
So on the... Huh?
He's cheating.
Oh, he's cheating, all right. But he had a little wheel on the back, and he used to just, like where the sort of cross arms went, he'd hook that over his shoulder. Just pair of boots, jeans, a Cobra, away he'd go. People say, what are you doing, man? So, oh, just, raising awareness for the gospel. Far out, mate. That's full on, man. Oh, look at that, Dan. Look at that cloud there, though. Sort of, see how it's kind of like fanning out?
It's fanning out from the moon.
Yeah, I'll see if I can get it. Oh, that looks, I mean, there's an art, there's a painting there. Look at that. That looks awesome. Wow. Well, guys, I'm going to bid you adieu and enjoy this amazing moonrise. Daniel and Heifer, out.
See ya.